There's a floating island of garbage in the Pacific Ocean that's 3 times the size of France. It's called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, and for decades, everyone said it was impossible to clean up. This plastic kills marine life, enters our food chain, and has been growing for 70 years. In 2013, a company named The Ocean Cleanup set out to achieve one impossible goal. It's to get rid of the Pacific Ocean of all plastic pollution in just 10 years. Meet the System 03 by The Ocean Cleanup. It's pure genius, and here's how it works.
Yes.
Picture a 2.2-kilometer floating barrier with 2 massive wings that go 4 meters deep. That's like the length of 20 football fields skimming the ocean surface. These wings funnel plastic toward the center into what's called the retention zone, while 2 ships tow this entire system at just 1.5 knots. Cameras inside the retention zone show exactly what's being collected in real time. The System 03 software predicts ocean currents and waves, guiding ships to hotspots. These hotspots are places where the ocean's plastic density is highest. Now here's how they get the plastic out. After 3 to 4 days of collecting, this giant garbage bag is full. One ship takes both wings on board, while the other ship goes to the back, ties off the full retention zone, and pulls the entire bag onto the deck. Then comes the sorting process. They dump all the collected plastic on deck and sort it by type for different recycling streams. Meanwhile, they put the system back in the water to keep collecting. As of 2024, the System 03 has collected over 22 million pounds of trash from oceans and rivers. It's like a floating recycling center, and the Ocean Cleanup wants to optimize the System 03 to hit 100 kilograms per hour. It's amazing how one idea has led to removing millions of pounds of plastic from our oceans. However, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch took 70 years to create, and it's only getting worse. Do you think it's possible for just one company to clean it up in the next 10 years?